Testing 1, 2, 3. Hang tight, folks, if you're watching this broadcast. I'm just trying to get things ready here. Hey guys, hang tight there. I see you jumped on Periscope. I'm trying to get my broadcast set up at the moment, so just hang with me. Hopefully you can hear my audio. If you can hear my audio, if you don't mind, please put a 1 in the comment box. I would appreciate it. I'll be right back with you. Again, if you guys can hear me on Periscope, if you could please put a 1 in the comment box, I would appreciate it. I'm just launching the Facebook Live broadcast stream as well, so give me just a moment. I should have that ready. Okay, so we got looks like 14, 13 people on Periscope right now, and a few others from some other networks. So I am in the process of setting up my Facebook Live broadcast and my others to demonstrate my upcoming product launch of Broadcast Dominator. That's going to be on the 28th of December. This is going to be a product launch that I've been trying to get together for a while. I've not really had an opportunity to until just now, but I really hope it's beneficial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a webcam, do some really cool skins and overlays like the things that you see here. I will get into that demonstration in just a minute and talk through some of the bells and whistles. So give me just another moment to get the Facebook stream going, and we'll be ready, guys. Sometimes it takes just a minute to get the streaming key going here. 84 Harley and Jay, welcome. Glad to have you. Bear with me just a moment here. Still waiting on everything to go live. Give me just a moment. I've got about 7 different streams going at once right now across different networks, so just hang tight, guys. Here, I'll let you look at some snowflakes in the background. Give me just a moment here. If you are able to see the animation in the background from the different networks, if you would, please give me a comment in the box in one of the comment boxes. I would appreciate it. Okay, I think we've got the Facebook stream going. Looks like it is anyway. Okay, gang. I see several of you joined on Periscope and on Twitch and on Hitbox, so I'm going to give you guys just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get into this demonstration here, so I'm going to switch back over to my main set of slides, and I'll try and keep an eye on comments from Periscope and some of the other networks at once. So bear with me if that's not perfect here. Okay. All right. So my name is Marty Bostic. I own Freelance Marketing Group. A I'm a professional marketer. I've been doing it for quite some time now, but I've really been trying to embrace the live streaming aspect of what the internet has to offer right now. And something I've noticed since the launch of like Periscope Producer and some of the other tools out there is that folks are starting to dabble with it, but they really don't understand all the ins and outs and all the capabilities of it. So what I've actually done is I put together a course. I'm looking to launch it on December 28th, and I'm going to be calling it Broadcast Dominator. And what I'm going to be showing you how to do is combine all these live streams between Facebook Live, Periscope, YouTube Live. Those are the three main ones that I'm covering. But I'm also going to cover some others, doing streams on Twitch and Hitbox, Stream.me, and YouTube events, some of the other really cool stuff that's out there. And I'm going to show you how to put overlays on your broadcast, like what you see on this one, where we could switch between these very easily. What you'll see in just a moment is you'll see me show up on here in my webcam, but then you'll see an animated background back behind it. So you can put some really cool effects like these on there. Sometimes they show up well for folks, sometimes they don't, but I'm going to be covering all the ins and outs of that. I want to show you in this course that I put together how to do the basics. Okay, thanks for joining on Periscope. I can't read your name from this distance, sorry. So what I'm going to be doing is demonstrating how to use free software, how to use free components to get the combination of your webcam, either on your desktop or your laptop computer, a microphone. In this particular case, I like using a headset mic, even though I have a podcasting mic and one on my webcam. But the idea here is to be able to quickly and easily navigate and switch between scenes and aspects of what I would want to illustrate to someone on my computer. So I do a lot of over-the-shoulder training. I do a lot of demonstrations, product reviews. I do a lot of affiliate marketing, but sometimes it's hard to capture the essence of that when you're just holding up a phone or you're trying to show it on a screen. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to navigate around and show you my desktop, to show you how to do a number of things where maybe I'm trying to demonstrate something on Google, or I'm trying to show somebody how to do something. I actually have the ability to switch between my windows, to switch between my scenes very easily, and show you my desktop. I can illustrate something on my computer, and then I can very easily switch back to a different set of slides or a different layout of how I want to display my audio and video. So what you'll see here in just a moment, if it's not caught up yet, you'll see my webcam shot showing up inside of a little window off to the left. Then you'll see a small slideshow talking about my product launch over on the right that will automatically rotate through the slides. And then my contact info, instead of having to redirect someone to my profile, I'm actually able to illustrate that in an overlay down at the bottom of the screen so that you can see that. And at the top, you'll see where it says Broadcast Dominator launching December 28th. And I went ahead and set up a mobile marketing keyword for you guys. If you would like to get updates from me, text the keyword updates to 205-518-9482. And what I'm going to do is give you the launch details around this, and I'll also give you some really cool bonuses if you get on the mobile list here. So don't forget to do that. I will jump back and forth between these slides in a minute. So what I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of is being able to switch between these scenes, where I'm going to show you how to do that regardless of the network that you're streaming on. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to make it a larger webcam picture here. You can put custom overlay titles in here, and every bit of software that you see that's going on with this demonstration, it's all free. There's not one bit of cost associated with the software itself. So I'm gonna reveal that source to you. I'm going to show you how to set it up properly with your webcam, how to set the presets right on each specific network. I see several of you joining on Periscope. It's great to have you. I do appreciate you joining in here. And as I was saying, I'm going to show you how to demonstrate different animated scenes, different things that you'd like to do. Maybe you would like to do a pre-recorded video. I can actually get into that later. That's actually going to be in the pro upgrade of the product. I'm going to show you how to take pre-recorded materials, go out and do an unattended broadcast to all the different networks at one time. So you don't have to be in front of it. You just have to set up things before you leave, go about your business, come back, and your broadcast happen without you even being there. That's not appropriate all the time, but if you're trying to do a training that's a repeat training, maybe you've recorded it, you got it just the way you want it, well, this will give you the ability to go out there and actually show it unattended if you wanted to. So I'm going to keep this broadcast fairly short. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of the bells and whistles. um, to give you some idea of what to expect. I'm going to show you how to do this exact same thing. So the overlays that you see on this screen right here, if your video is caught up here, I'm actually going to give you guys a nice size set of these different overlay templates that you can use, where you just set it up inside the software, you rotate through and you put your materials, you move your webcam window around. And as you can see, I'm actually going to show you what it's like to move the webcam window around. So while you're looking at this live, I'm actually going to move my webcam window somewhere else on the screen. And what you should see in a minute is that the actual window that's broadcasting my video has moved. Okay, notice it's moving around on the screen there. So what I'm going to do is show you how to lay these out where they look right on a mobile phone, but they also look right on a replay broadcast. So I've got everything lined up here. I can very easily hide elements if I wanted to. I could come through here and maybe take this slideshow and make it disappear. Okay, I could put another piece of material out there very easily. So think of it as doing classroom type demonstration. You could very easily go out there and change your materials out, your slide decks out, and make them show back up for the audience that's participating. Maybe you're doing some private broadcasts, you're doing some private scopes, you're doing some Facebook group training. Well, you could set this up where you're doing that and give that really quality content to your class and your readership. So I like I said, I want to be able to offer a quality product to you guys. I've not launched a product in quite some time, but I want to make sure this is a good one. Still working on the pricing details. I'm going to try and keep it reasonable for everybody, but I do hope you enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and stop all the broadcasts right now, so it'll take just a minute for me to kill them off. But if you're on Periscope, if you're not already following me, feel free to swipe right. If you're on an Android or iPhone platform, swipe up. So just swipe right or swipe up depending on which which one your platform is. Go ahead and follow me if you're not following me already. And also, if you'll look on this overlay screen that you see right here on the broadcast, you'll see FMG Plan down in the lower left. That's the common handle that I used across Periscope and most of the other social networks for you to find me. And the domain name, even though the course is not ready yet, the domain name is going to be broadcastdominator.com. Okay, and you'll get more launch details from me if you'll go ahead and text the keyword updates to 205-518-9482. And again, my name's Marty Bostic. I look forward to seeing you guys at the launch. I will do some more videos. I'm actually going to do some trainings. I'm going to do some product review training and some YouTube ranking video training that I've got ready, that I'm actually going to be using a similar set of layouts like you see right here to do that. So you guys look for those. You should see the broadcast announcement soon, and I will see you on the other